Alright friends, welcome back to the new video. So the topic for today's video is not able to understand college lectures. यानी कि कॉलेज के लेक्चर्स के दौरान कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. This is really common question. This is really common thing you will find in engineering, and this was also happened with me. Because see, sometimes what happened that whatever teacher is saying, whatever faculty is teaching us, we are not able to get it. Okay, and it is happening with me and you as well. Okay, so today I am going to tell you that how you can improve this and how you are able to tackle this problem. Okay, so let's start with the video. Okay, see, the thing is it doesn't always like whatever your faculty is saying to you, you are able to understand it. So now what are the ways? First way, the thing is you have to start reading by yourself. You have to start solving the questions and problem by yourself with the help of book. Okay, so the first answer for this questions is books. Okay, now which book? Local publication or reference book? See, in starting phase you have to go to the library, you have to take the reference book of that particular subjects, then you have to start reading from that book, and at the end if you are not able to understand, you have to go and visit to the office of that faculty and you have to ask the questions. Okay, this is the first way. Study with your own. Second point, if you are still not able to understand from the lectures and books, then there is a wonderful thing, YouTube. Right now YouTube is not costing anything. There are few ads in the starting of a video or in the middle of video, but right now there are so many wonderful playlists are available on the YouTube if you are not able to understand it from the college lectures or book. Okay, see, what I did in the lockdown, that college lectures was already taken on the Teams and Google Meet and all the other platforms. Okay, but it was not helping me. I was not able to understand anything from the lectures. Okay, because see, there is 1 hour of lectures. Starting 10 minutes people are joining. Okay, so first 10 minutes wasted like that. At the end of 10 minutes it is an attendance sessions. In between there is a lack of internet connection. Sometimes connectivity is gone. Sometimes someone is disturbing someone. Sometimes cracking a joke. Sometimes a viewer was not on the mute. So background noise. All of that stuff, I was really frustrated. So what I did, that I started watching YouTube playlist, 1 video in a day or sometimes 2 video on a day. That depend on how much is the length of the video. Suppose let's say that if the video is 30 minutes, then you can go like 1 video in 1 day, and if the length is really less, like 5 minutes or 3 minutes, then you can watch 2 or 3 videos in a day. Okay, so see what happened in YouTube, that there are multiple choice. If you are watching the first playlist, if you are not able to understand it, you can skip that playlist and you can go to the second playlist. If you are also not feeling comfortable with the second, there are various playlists are available, so you can watch it from there. But the main thing is your study should not be stopped, your study should not be impacted. Okay, the thing is you have various options on YouTube, that how you can watch and how you can make notes based on your videos. Okay, so at the end I have just one request, that if you are not able to study from your college, if you are not able to understand anything in your college lectures, just no worry, just left there everything on the college, come home, watch YouTube videos, make notes of it, and at the end solve questions based on the thing you have learned. Okay, so second answer and third answer is wonderful, that you can go with the YouTube. Okay, third, there is Udemy Learning. If you are capable enough to buying subscription of Udemy, then you can purchase this. And not only Udemy, there are other source and other platform is also available. Okay, so you can purchase the subscription of Udemy, but that will cost you so much high, because for that you have to pay in $1. Okay, so this is the third answer today I have for your tackle up these questions. Okay, and at the end just one website. Right now you are watching me, right now I am teaching you something and you are teaching something. Okay, you are able to understand it. Okay, if you are not able to understand it, what you going to do? You are going to close the video. Same, if you are not able to understand from the other YouTube videos, you can easily skip it. You have multiple options, so YouTube is the best way to learn if you are not able to understand your concept in the college lectures. Okay, then all that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching this video. At the end, feel free to put your feedback in the comment section, and if you have any doubts, then put it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.